What if I told you that you are your own enemy? You are the one setting obstacles for yourself. You are holding yourself back and you have done it for so long. Before you attack me, pause for a second. Let me show you something. I am currently on my phone screen and right here you can see the YouTube Studio app. Let me open it. This is the YouTube channel that you are watching this video on. I currently have over 130 subscribers here. This is not my only YouTube channel. Let me show you the other ones. This one has 3,100 subscribers and the third one has over 5,500 subscribers. As you can see, this one is already monetized. You can see my earnings there. Let me switch to the other one. As you can see, this one also is monetized with over 5,500 subscribers. Now, why did I say you are your own enemy? If you are broke and want to make money from YouTube, but you currently don't have a channel, then what I said is right. You are your own enemy. Before I started my YouTube channels, I was always complaining. I don't know how to edit videos. I don't know how to upload videos. And the worst thing is I don't even know which videos to create. I was always blaming my laziness on external things, forgetting to blame myself for my own laziness. This is 2026. You don't have anything to complain about. You can learn anything, anytime. So if you find yourself complaining about not achieving something you really want, give yourself a hot slap and realize that you only have yourself to blame. In this video, I will share with you the easiest way to start your own YouTube channel that you can make money from. You can earn $100, $500, even up to $10,000 from your YouTube channel. Even if you don't know how to edit videos, how to upload videos, or any of those things you keep complaining about, this video will be everything you need to start your own YouTube journey. And after watching this video, if you still have more excuses, just remember what I said earlier, that you are your own enemy. Now, before I proceed with the video, you are welcome to GJNs. My name is Jonathan and I am currently a student of Uniport. I earn money online through online surveys and other methods. The main reason why I started this channel is to help other people start making money from online surveys like I currently do. I didn't plan to monetize this channel. I just wanted to post survey stuff and help people make money online. But right now I see a lot of potential from the channel. Apart from surveys, I also share some useful tips and tutorials that will help make your life easier and help you make money online. So if you want to see more videos from me, please click the like button then subscribe to the channel. I have already made a video where I shared how I make $10 daily from 3 survey websites. If it sounds like something you like to try, you can watch the video here. Now, without wasting much time, let's proceed. So here are the list of things you need in order to start your own YouTube channel and eventually get monetized and start making money. I will talk more about them in a few minutes, but first, I feel like you should know. The number one thing is topic to talk about. This is what people call a niche. For example, this channel is all about making money online from surveys and other methods. Now the second thing is video editing. You only need a basic knowledge about video editing because you need to edit your videos before you upload them. This is not a major problem. We will talk more about this later. Then the third thing is internet connection. This one is obvious. If you want to succeed on YouTube, you need steady internet connection. Then the number four thing is determination and consistency. These are the most important things you need if you want to become a successful YouTuber. Now that you know the four things you need, let's talk more about how you can get started. The number one thing I talk about is a topic to talk about on your channel. Like I said, you need a topic and this one is not negotiable. Ask yourself this question. If you will subscribe to my channel right now, what will be your reason? Is it because my name is Jonathan or because I school in Uniport or what? Of course, it will be because I share tips on how to make money from surveys and other methods. So this is what will determine if people will watch your videos or not. And not only that, YouTube love channels that have a clear topic. If your topic is clear, YouTube will even help you to push your videos to the people that will watch them, which will help you get views and subscribers. So some of you will easily say, I don't know what to talk about, and that is not true. Everyone has something to talk about or share, and you don't even need to be an expert to talk about something. Ask yourself, what do you love or have passion for? Is it food? Is it making money online? Is it mathematics, video editing, or you like stories? Anything at all that you love to do, you can share it online. You have no idea how many people share the same interest as you. And when you start sharing your interest, you will be surprised by how people will start watching your videos and engaging with your content. This my channel is where I upload AI stories. I simply use AI to create stories and upload them on YouTube, and people love these videos. I even made a video tutorial on how I create AI videos. So if you want to start uploading AI videos, then you should watch that video. This other channel is where I upload movie clips. I simply just edit some movie clips and upload them on YouTube. People love those videos, and because of that, I get views a lot on both of the channels. The second thing I talk about is video editing. Now, when you hear me talk about video editing skill, don't be afraid. You don't need any technical gadgets. I edit all my videos using my Android phone, and you can do it too. And I am using only free video editing apps without paying anything. You can learn smartphone video editing from me, which will take you less than 2 days to learn. I will leave a link in the description. You can get my course on smartphone video editing there. You will learn all the things you need to start editing videos on your smartphone. I am talking about advanced things like changing video backgrounds, adding effects, sounds, and editing quality videos. If you learn from my course, you can create and edit all kinds of videos. But if you already know how to edit videos on your smartphone, then you can skip to the next part. The third thing I talked about is internet connection. I am a Nigerian living in Nigeria, and if you are watching this video in Nigeria, then you know how expensive mobile data is. Regardless, you need constant data. I buy data a lot because of my YouTube videos. Since buying data is expensive, I've already made a video on how I get cheap data here in Nigeria. You can watch the video and start getting mobile data for the cheapest prices possible. You are very lucky to come across this video because I don't just tell you stuff and throw you away. Everything you need to know, I provide them for you, and it is only left for you to make a decision and start doing something for yourself. The last thing and most important thing is determination and consistency. If you are still watching this video at this point, then you have already shown that you are determined to do this. But determination alone is not enough. You need consistency too. Consistency is when you start doing something and just keep doing it diligently no matter the condition. Think of it like this. Imagine Mr. A and Mr. B both determined to start making money from YouTube. Then they start taking action. But after a few days, Mr. A stops. But Mr. B keeps going. That means Mr. B is consistent and he will surely succeed. As long as you keep doing something consistently, then you will get to the bottom of it. This channel is currently at 130 subscribers, but if I keep showing up and uploading videos, then I will soon reach 300, 500, and before you know, I will monetize it. So my advice to you is this: when you start, don't quit, keep going. In fact, I want to open a free WhatsApp group for YouTube monetization. This group is all about encouragement. I will be right there with you and encourage you every day until I see that you are monetized. We will share ideas there, learn from each others, and grow together. If you want, you can join the group in the pinned comment and description of the video. Now remember this, you need a topic to talk about, so spend the next 24 hours writing down all the things you are interested in. Write them down, but don't exceed 5. After that, choose one of those interests. It will be your YouTube channel topic. Secondly, you need at least a smartphone video editing skill. You can learn from my course. It is very detailed and contains everything you need to know. Then you need cheap data. Don't forget, I also made a video about getting cheap data in Nigeria. And then after getting your topic, video editing skill and data, you can start making your first video. Your first video doesn't have to be perfect. The most important thing is to show up consistently. I would be glad to see your YouTube channel and your growth. You can join the YouTube Monetization WhatsApp group. It will be very helpful to you, and I will encourage you constantly because everyone needs motivation. Now, let me know what you think in the comment section below. If I forgot to mention something, ask me in the comment section. If you think this video will help someone start their own YouTube channel journey, please share it with them. And lastly, if you want to see more videos from me, like this video and subscribe to my channel. I wish you all the best. Thanks for watching.